Hello everybody and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, or welcome if you're just stopping by. And it's a good time too, because we've got a 4-day sale starting tomorrow, Wednesday, at the Dollar General. And you know you want to know, so come on in and like and share the video. Invite your friends on over. They want to know too. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, and you don't ever want to miss a deal, steal, glitch, free stuff, and awesome information, well, look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell. That way you don't forget, and you'll be notified when I post a new video. And if you don't get notified every other day, come back and check the channel, because I post a video at least every 2 days, if not more. So if you don't hear from me in 24 hours, go and check the channel, and I bet you'll find a new video there. And thank you very much, everybody who gave me the comment, the emojis, and liked and shared. It is so appreciated and, well, so required by YouTube. Thank you very much. Okay, everybody, let's talk about this sale. It starts tomorrow, and it's not an elaborate sale, but it does have some good stuff. We've got the Pepsi and Dr. Pepper bottles, 4 for $13. We've got 2 for $5 on the Chex Mix, and we've got a 75-cent coupon on that, so actually that'd be 2 for $4.25. Now these muffin and cookie mixes, it's about to be wintertime, guys. And what's better for breakfast than a warm muffin and a warm cup of cocoa or coffee? Yeah. And getting them cheap. This is buy 2, get 1 free. That means you're going to get 3 of them for $2. Now we have some sales on this candy. It's BOGO with the digital coupon, and you get buy 1, get 1 50% off. Now, I'm not sure if it will stack with, we have another, I think, store coupon. We might want to check that one out. Next up, well, we've got some 350 Sparkle. We've got a 50-cent coupon for that. We have got $6 appliances, guys. So if you need a little refresher on these Toastmaster appliances, they're $6. Now, let's talk about these Toastmaster appliances. There's some of them, they're not worth the $6. The toasters are fine. I've had my same $5 toaster going on now 3 years. So the toaster is fine for the $6. The mixer is awesome for $6. The coffee maker also is good for $6. However, your little choppers and your blender, not so much. Now we also have some sales on the dog toys, about 50 cents off. Not no, big deal. Also on the sale is buy 1, get 1 half off for the Dawn sponges and brushes and things like that. And your buy 1, get 1 50% off on your True Living cooking utensils, I guess you would call those. So it's not, the best of sales, but it is something. But let's go through real quick and find some of the best of sale. Now we've got a new and different 5 off of 20. And that's for Swiffer pet products. Or, excuse me, not. That is for PG pet products. And, well, we've got the Swiffer pet. And we've got a $1 coupon coming off on that. We've got the Febreze Air Effect spray. And also, Bounce dryer sheets, the pet Bounce dryer sheets falls under this coupon as well. So, we're going to have $20 in PG pet cleaners, I guess is the best way to describe it. Because we're going to pick up the $10 Swiffer Pet. I looked and I could not find the Swiffer Pet like in a Gain scent. It has its own scent. So, we're just going to pick up the Swiffer Pet. And it can be the duster or it can be the wet mop things. And you've got a $1 off coupon. But you're going to get the big one, the $10 one. This is the coupon, guys. Spend $20 on PG pet products and save $5. Now you got the Febreze fabric also on this. You got the Bounce for $5.50. You've got the Swiffer Pet and the Swiffer Heavy Duty Multi-Surface is also attaching to this. It's not a pet product, but it is attaching. So, guys, that's actually a glitch. So if you don't need that, you can just pick up Swiffers. Next, you got the Febreze Pet Odor, the Febreze Pet Odor Eliminator fabric, and then, of course, the Swiffer Dusters, the Swiffer Pet, the Swiffer Dry Cloths, your 1050 Bounce. So if you'd rather have the big thing of Bounce for 1050 instead of the Swiffers, then switch them around. The only difference is there's a coupon for the Bounce as well. The $7 regular dusters, the starter kit for $7 is also attaching to this. So another glitch. And then the regular Swiffer Pet Refills 3 count for $5.50. Now on the Bounce, there is a $1.50 coupon also. So if you do this deal any day of the week other than Saturday, because I got a Saturday 5 off scenario with this for you as well. This is what this math is. You're going to pick up the Bounce dryer sheets, the $5.50, or like I said, you can switch them around. The Swiffer refills for $10.25, and the Febreze Pet Spray for $4.50. Now, you've got $7.50 coming off of this transaction, and your out-of-pocket would be $12.75 with a savings of $7.50. Now, let's throw in something else and save an additional $5. When we do this deal on Saturday, we're going to need, one more product. So we're going to pick up this Nivea for $5.85. We have some different ones, but we're, of course, going for the cheapest for $5.85. Now, if you've got a man in your life and you want to do some Nivea men's lotion, this coupon also attaches to that, and the coupon is for $3. Now, that's going to bring your total to $26.10 for the Bounce dryer sheets, the Swiffer refills, the Febreze spray, pet spray, and your Nivea lotion is going to be $26.10. You got $15.50 in coupons coming off on that, leaving you out of pocket of $10.60, guys. Now, that is a winner deal. And it's $10 in free money that we are getting from Dollar General. Okay, so can't pass this deal up even if you don't have pets, because you can still use the Bounce dryer sheets, you can still use the Swiffer on your floor, and you can still use the Febreze spray. So for $10.60, you're pretty much just paying for your Swiffer refills, and everything else is free. So there you go, guys, your daily deal. We got more daily deals coming. We got our food video coming up because, we're doing a food video a week to help cut some of those food costs for you. So blessings, and I'll see you again real soon. Don't forget, Give me all the love with the like, share, subscribes, and emojis and comments. Blessings.